Welcome to Vadodara Institute of Engineering. Today we are going to see implementation of decision tree classifier in Jupyter Notebook. By performing this practical, we can find the accuracy of particular machine learning model. First, we have to import pandas library for dataset. Second, we have to import numpy library. And after that, for dataset, use the function pd.read underscore csv and in the bracket mention the path of the dataset. Here I am going to use the iris dataset and then print the dataset. So you can see this one. There are the 5 attributes: sepal length, sepal width, petal width, and the last one, that is the species. On the x-axis, I am going to use first 4 attributes. So for that, mention x is equal to dataset.ilog in the bracket colon, comma, colon minus 1. So in this one, we are just excluding the last column of the dataset. ilog, that is integer location, it is used to access the data in tabular format. Now when we run this, it will display the x. So in the x, I am going to consider this 4 parameter. On the y, I am going to include the species, category of the species. Now you can see this one. This is what about the species category, that is on the y-axis. After that, I am going to use train test split function. So using this function, I am going to split the dataset. So from the sklearn library, import train underscore test underscore split function. You can see this one here. The test size is equal to 0.2. It means the 80% data I am going to use to train the model and 20% data I am going to use for testing purpose. Now when we print x train, you can see this one. This data I have used to train the machine learning model, that is decision tree. To build the model from sklearn.tree, import decision tree classifier. D, T and C is in capital letter. I have just kept this model in DT. So the last one is dt.feed xtrain and xtrain, comma, ytrain. So using this one, we can build and train the model. Next is to make the prediction, use the function dt.predict. In the bracket, it is x underscore test. When we display this, y underscore prediction. You can see this one. This one is what about the output of the prediction data. After prediction, to generate the classification report, it means to evaluate the model. Import accuracy score, confusion matrix and classification report from sklearn.matrix library. First one is for the accuracy, second one that is for the confusion matrix, and third one is classification report. You can see this one. The accuracy of the model is 0.866. It means using decision tree classifier, we get 86% efficiency. Next is confusion matrix. You can see this one, the diagonal value, that is the correctly predicted value, and remaining all values are the wrongly predicted value, and based on this one we get the accuracy of the model 86.66. And last one is the classification report, that is the value of the precision, recall, F1 score and support. Thank you.